The way that a story is told is at least as important, if not more, than the basic facts and information.
Excited today? We've got our storytelling and iPhone video workshop. This is all about democratizing video making and leveraging the power of the individuals in the organization to tell their stories.
Don't be shy of problems, because without a problem, you don't have a good story.
This workshop is really good because it kind of gives you structure. It gives you some pathways to follow or something you can put into place to make it easier.
Always keep in the back of your mind who's your audience.
Understanding why we're making a video and how to best tell that why in a story.
And humanising something that can be quite a dry topic has got my brain ticking.
When you exaggerate, you can actually start to see more clearly.
I think everyone was really engaged today.
It's been really good, really good.
Was it fun to make a movie, or what?
Yeah, it was.
We're going to call it the drive-by shooting. A quick video of the store.
Definitely learned heaps about how the whole process worked and can see how we can use it in store, so that's awesome.
And that's Mitre.
It was so fun. I didn't realise how easy it was to edit.
Yeah, that iMovie app is really cool. It's something I've never used before.
So if you want to lose that, you can either touch on that.
Oh, it's fun.
It is so much fun. It's so much fun.
You get instant feedback, which was valuable.
So I loved the variety. Just always think about what those cutaways are, what those scenes are.
I learned heaps today, so I'll be looking to make some videos when I'm out training stores. And yeah, everything has been extremely relevant and I'll use all of it.
Something like this allows us to tell a story that everyone can relate to really quickly.
So you're now a budding filmmaker?
Well, yeah, I've got a lot of ideas now. So we'll wait and see.